In this video, we will be making a set of 3 dilutions from one stock solution. A stock solution is a highly concentrated solution prepared in advance. A dilution solution is created by the process of adding a solvent, in this case water, to a stock solution to decrease its concentration and create a less concentrated solution. These are our beginning materials. We will begin by drawing 5 milliliters of our stock solution into a pipette before transferring it to a volumetric flask. Here you can see me reading the meniscus. A meniscus is the curved surface of a liquid in a container. It is formed by the forces of adhesion and cohesion. To determine the volume, you read the bottom of the curve. We will then add water into the volumetric flask until it reaches the white line. The white line indicates 25 milliliters total. Make sure you read the bottom of the meniscus to ensure you have measured properly. Once you have completed those steps, you will transfer the liquid from the volumetric flask into a beaker for storage. Now on to our second dilution. We will begin by taking 5 milliliters of the first diluted solution into a pipette, reading the meniscus to ensure we have measured properly. Then we will transfer the solution into a volumetric flask. You will now add water into the volumetric flask until it reaches that white line, indicating 25 total milliliters of solution and water mixture. We will once again transfer the solution from the volumetric flask into another beaker for storage. Now on to our third and final dilution. We will again start by drawing 5 milliliters of our second diluted solution into a pipette, again reading the meniscus to ensure we have measured properly. We will then transfer that solution into the volumetric flask. Once again, we will slowly add water into the volumetric flask until we reach the white line, indicating we have a total of 25 milliliters of diluted solution. Finally, we will transfer this diluted solution into another beaker for storage. Once we have completed our set of dilutions, we will clean up. Begin by dumping and rinsing all of your glassware. Return all other materials to their proper place in the lab. Place the washed and dried glassware back into the glassware cabinet where you originally found it. We will be using this equation to solve for our concentrations of each dilution solution. It will be our initial volume multiplied by our first concentration equals our final volume times our second concentration. We will algebraically be able to solve for our second concentrations. Here is our math using the previous equation to solve for the concentration of every diluted solution. The underlined number indicates the concentration of that diluted solution.